Scooty distributed to meritorious students in West Bengal. Good morning and happy Ronkar to you all. I am Julie Hansepi and now the news in detail. Under the initiative of the government of Assam, several meritorious girls across the state who secured first division marks in the recent HSS-LC examination have been presented with one Scooty. Likewise, the achievers from West Bengal were also given the Scooty on Sunday. Here is a report. The slogan Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao has been one of the main agendas of the important agenda of the present Modi government, keeping in line with the objective of the Prime Minister. The Assam government has also been taking several steps towards development and upliftment of the females in the society. One of the steps has been to provide free Scooty to the girls, students who had secured first division marks in the HSS-LC 2020 examination. Bengal Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang was also present along with his team at ceremonious distribution of Dr. Banikanta Kakati Award 2020 to the meritorious female students who secured 60% and above in class 12 in board exam under Assam Pragyan Bharati's Scooty scheme at Donkamkam, West Bengal. While speaking at the event, Bengal Autonomous Council chief told that altogether 22,000 Scooty were sanctioned in the state and is being given, while the remaining will receive in the coming next few days. He also informed the gathering that Daithor College and Dipu Law College has already been upgraded as Golf College status. MP Horan Singh Bey in his speech said that time is very precious in this century, and so the students of the backward district like Bengal can save many hours through the vehicle. Altogether, 47 female students of West Bengal district received the Scooty during the program.
Himonto Biswa Sharma Dangoria election agot প্রত্যেক ৰাজহুৱা মিটিঙতে যেতিয়া কৈছে যে আমাৰ চৰকাৰ যদি আহে ৰাইজৰ যদি আমাক সহায়িতা কৰি আশীৰ্বাদ দিয়ে তেনেহলে যিবিলাকৰ হাই সেকেন্ডাৰী পাছ কৰা ছাত্ৰীবিলাকক বিনামূলীয়া স্কুটি দিম বুলি কৈছে সেই ইলেকশ্যনৰ প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি আখৰে আখৰে পালন কৰা হৈছে আমাৰ ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং টোটাল 47 আছে আৰু ইষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং 235 আছে
তেখেতে বহুত ভাল পদক্ষেপ লৈছে আমি কলেজ যোৱাত এটা বহুত সুবিধা হ'ব আগতে সিটি বাছত যাব লাগে
Mohan Teran report from Kerani for Bengal Live. In the latest news coming from Bokajan, one armed man had been arrested by the police on Monday. Here is a short report. The arrest was made on Monday during a search of an auto rickshaw at a checkpoint which was set up at Balijan, near Forest Gate under Khatkati police station, immediately after receiving a tip-off regarding movement of a suspected man armed with illegal arm. At around 2 p.m., a passenger auto was searched and police found one person named Nailas Au, son of late Zapuvi, hailing from Kohima, Nagaland, along with one handmade 22 gun, one magazine, and 3 rounds of 22 mm live ammunition recovery. The Naka was set up by the cops led by Bokajan SDPO John Das, APS assisted by SI Moblik Brahma OC, Khatkati PS, ASI Arun Nath IC, Karagaon Police Patrol and staff. The arrested person was kept at Bokajan Police Station at the time this report was filed. Anand Terang report from Bokajan for Bengal Live. With an aim to provide assistance to the rural traders in Chintong constituency, a new market shed was inaugurated on Monday. The work was done by the Industries Department under Bengal Autonomous Council. The market shed was inaugurated by Bengal Autonomous Council EM Prodip Rongpi. The program was attended by several members of Mandal BJP committee. Through this new facility inaugurated, it is expected that the locals, Masalading and Ummat areas will be benefited. This commercial or market complex has been constructed with an aim to boost rural trade and economy. EM Pradip Rongpi said that these new market sheds were inaugurated as New Year's gift to the people. He also said that by March this year, each house in the district will be given proper source of drinking water through the Jal Jeevan Mission. Himari Rongpa report from Chintong for Bengal Live. Well, those were the stories for this morning. Goodbye for now and thanks for watching Bengal Live.